All right, gang, got one for you today that I want to tell you a little bit about. This is the Kaugic earwax remover, and just want to give you a little bit of insight into this. I am actually a diver, a scuba diver, and so ear care is a high priority for me. If I don't take care of my ears properly, it actually can affect my diving and whether I get to go diving or not. And so this is something I picked up just to try out and have absolutely fallen in love with this. So this system is pretty straightforward. If you've seen one of these before, you're familiar with how it works. You actually have a reservoir of water here. You place this up to your ear with this small little piece aimed inside of your ear, and it flushes out any buildup that you might have and collects it here on the other side of this tank. This is a two-step tank so that you are making sure you always have clean water on one side and your collection on the other, so none of that ever mixes. Now, I actually have two specific reasons that I picked up this specific earwax remover. Number one, there's four settings here: a normal, a soft, a strong, and a pulse type setting. So it's not a constant flow. But the other thing that I really love, and the reason I picked this one out, is it actually has a temperature sensor on the inside. The key to this is getting really nice warm water to flush your ear, but you don't want it too hot and you don't want it too cold. And so you can actually put water into this, screw it in there, and once you turn this on, this light here is going to tell you if it's too hot, too cold, or just right. You want a green light. Green is just right. Tells you right here on this. It's perfect. I absolutely love this feature. It's worth it for me. One of the other things that I did love about this system is it actually came with a ear pick that's got a little bit of a rubber end on it that has a built-in camera here. You can't really see this teeny tiny camera, but it syncs with your phone, and so you actually can use this inside of your ear, and while you are cleaning it out, use your phone to see exactly what is going on and what you are going after on this. Both of these are USB-C chargeable, comes with a cord, comes with extra Q-tips if you want those, and a few extra supplies that you might need. Some of them you don't really need, but overall, as long as you got the charging cord, these are set. Now, just so you know, the one thing it does not come with is the actual charging block, so you might want to pick up one of those, or if you have one of those lying around the house, any USB-A charging block will work with the cord provided. But if not, man, just pick one of those up. Otherwise, love this. If you've got some buildup in your ears, I think this might be the way to go. Check it out. It's made by Kaugic. I think you're going to love it.